presentation about me, made by Caitlin Kreider. My favorite hobby is costume making. Ever since I was a young girl, I helped my mother with all sorts of sewing projects, and when I turned 16, I met a group of people who taught me about costume making called cosplay. It's been my passion since. Accomplishments. When I was in high school, I was a musical theater major. My senior year, we were required to put on a play or musical and shrink it to a certain length of time. It was something I did and was super proud of. I was also nominated in our school's award show for Best Actress in a Performance. What I hope to learn from this class. I hope to learn how to budget for school and how to work on myself with schoolwork. I hope to also learn to be able to get better habits with time management and different exercises to keep me with my busy schedule plus my homework. I hope to learn more about myself and my own habits through this class along with my learning styles. And something personal about taking an online course. For myself personally, it has been extremely helpful for me to be able to come back to school since, especially online, with my busy schedule working at a theme park. I am in all sorts of hours, on and off the clock, so I have to make my own schedule work, and it's really saved me. Thank you so much.